Hello, dear audience. Welcome again to Agora Victory School. Nkaswe kwa ikaze kuri Agora Victory School. Ego nkuko bisanzwe tukaba tugiye kubandanya twiga icyongereza ariko cyane cyane dushimikira ku ijambo ry'Imana kugira tugwize vocabulary biblique. Ariko kandi muri ubwo buryo cyangwa muri iyo ntumbero umuntu azosanga yashoboye no kugwiza izindi vocabulary ururimi rw'icyongereza twamenyereye bityo bidufasha ku mpande zose. Murakoze, reka rero ngenda ngira ko senga Imana. Imana ndabishimiye ko no mwanya mwiza tubana nanjye bane n'abagiye kunkurikira byose bigende neza, ikija kubera kitwigisha mu buryo no mu bundi, hanyuma dukora ibyo twiteze ko ugenda ubituma ko muri ino si. Ni mu izina rya Kristo Yesu senze nizeye kandi shima, amen. Ego ntabasubiye kubaha ikaze kuri Agora Victory School. Ego murakoze. None rero tudatevye reka mvuga ijambo ry'Imana, ijambo tuja gushimikirako aho tuja gukura cyane cyane amavokabulere tuja gufatirako mu kigo cy'uno munsi. Murakoze. Ego ni mu bami wa mbere turabandanya guhera ku murongo wa kabiri gushika ku murongo wa gatandatu kubera ahaheruka twari twahereye ku murongo wa mbere. Then the word of the Lord came to Elijah, live here, turn eastward, and hide in the Kerit ravine, east of the Jordan. You will drink from the brook, and I have directed the ravens to supply you with the food there. So he did what the Lord had told him. He went to the Kerit ravine, east of the Jordan, and stayed there. The ravens brought him bread and meat in the morning, and bread and meat in the evening, and he drank from the brook. Thank you. Murakoze. Tugiriye ko rero ni Elijah fed by ravens. Niyo title, niyo titre. Elijah fed by ravens. Eli nourri par des corbeaux. Eliya agaburirwa n'ibikona. Then the word of the Lord came to Elijah, et la parole de l'Éternel fut adressée à Eli. Hanyuma ijambo ry'Uhoraho rimuzako. The word turazi ko ijambo the word of the Lord ni ijambo ry'Uhoraho came to Elijah. To come ni venir, kuza, rimuzako, came to Elijah. Hanyuma kuri verse ya gatatu havuga ngo, live here, turn eastward, and hide in the Kerit ravine, east of the Jordan. Bivuga ngo live here, ni ukuvuga ngo va ngaha, to live ni kite, kuva ahantu, cyangwa go away from here, nicyo kimwe na live here. Turn eastward, ni ukuvuga hindukira werekeza ibuseruko, vers l'Orient, eastward, vers l'Occident. Westward, tugenda twongera kantu ward, ari south, southward, westward. Southward ni ukuvuga vers le sud, westward ni vers l'Occident cyangwa ahahera mu burengero, northward ahahera mu buraruko. Ward muca mwumva uko mugakora iyo tuvuze eastward, westward. Okay, zazindi bavuga 4 points cardinaux. Ego. And hide in the Kerit ravine, ni ukuvuga winyegeze mu kabande kitwa Kerit. Kuko kiratandukanye. Ravine ni akabande, ariko brook ni umugezi kujya twita hwiso ajya amazi atemba. East of the Jordan, à l'est du Jourdain, mu seruko bwa Yorodani. Ni par d'ici, dirige-toi vers l'Orient et cache-toi, to hide, ni kwinyegeza. Dans le ravin de Kerit, à l'est du Jourdain. Litiva hano ugende werekeye iburasirazuba. bwa Yorodani. Hanyuma winyegezeyo, to hide, eastward, ahaherera iburasirazuba, nka kumwe twavuga ngo ahaherera iburengerazuba, naho tuvuga westward, ahaherera ibumanuko, southward, ahaherera iburaruko, northward. Nibyo. Hanyuma tutuza kuri verse ya 4 ivuga ngo you will drink from the brook, ni ukuvuga uzonywa amazi avuye mu mugezi. Aho rero turabonye yuko to drink ari kunywa, hanyuma from the brook ni kuvuga amazi avuye mu mugezi. Kunywa from the brook ni kuvuga en provenance du ruisseau cyangwa di torrent. Torrent cyangwa ruisseau nicyo kimwe. Rero ni verse ko turabandanya no murongo wa 4 uvuga ngo kandi and I have directed the ravens to supply you with the food there. I have directed the ravens ni bikona. I have directed the ravens ni kuvuga ngo nategetse ibikona to supply you, ko bikugemurira, de t'approvisionner, de te nourrir mu majambo make, with the food there, avec la nourriture là-bas, de te nourrir, to supply you with the food there. No kuvuga to supply you ni kukugemurira, with the food nani nourriture, ibifungurwa, there ngaho bibigusanze ngaho. Ariko kivuga ngo j'ai ordonné au corbeau de te nourrir là-bas, ko bikugemurira. The ravens must supply you with the food there. Ibikona bitegerezwa kukuzanira ibifungurwa, because I have directed them to supply you with the food there. Uko nabitegetse kukugemurira, kukugaburira, kukugemurira ibyo kurya, to supply you with the food there. Nibyo. Hama tutatuja ku murongo wa 5. Umurongo wa 5 havuga ngo so he did what the Lord had told him. Nuko akora uko Uhoraho yamubariye. He did, kivuye muri verbe to do ni faire, ariko he did ni muri kahise, yakoze uko Uhoraho yamubariye. He did what the Lord had told him to do. Yakoze uko Uhoraho yamubariye. To do ni faire, ariko muri kahise, muri passé ni did, ariko past participle ni ikigira done. I have done this and this, nakoze ibi n'ibyo. The Lord had told him, ukuvuga ibyo Uhoraho yamubariye. The verb to tell ni raconter cyangwa dire, ibyo Uhoraho yamubariye n'ibyo. Hanyuma turacaye ku murongo wa 5 nyene. He went to the Kerit ravine east of the Jordan and stayed there. He went to the Kerit ravine east of the Jordan and stayed there. No kuvuga he went kivuye muri verbe to go, uko he went ni muri kahise. He went ni muri kahise, ariko kivuye muri verbe to go ariyo kugenda canke are. No kuvuga ngo yagiye. He went to the Kerit ravine, no kuvuga ngo yagiye mu kabande ka Kerit, kuko ravine no kuvuga akabande arico bita ravin, ariko ni nka varo canke vare profonde, no kuvuga akabande kaje nyine kamanuka cyane ko hasi, yego bitandukanye n'ijya vare simple n'akabande gasanzwe. Yego murakoze. East of the Jordan ni ukuvuga ngo mu buseruko bwa Yorodani, and stayed there, hama agumayo. To stay ni rester canke kuguma ahantu murakoze. Aricyo gisigura rero ngo aragenda agira nk'uko ijambo ry'Imana ryamubariye, aja mu kabande ka Keriti mu buseruko bwa Yorodani agumayo. Kandi tuca tuza rero ku murongo wa 6 nawo wa nyuma ngo the ravens brought him bread and meat in the morning and the bread and the meat in the evening, and he drank from the brook. The ravens brought him bread and meat. No kuvuga le corbeaux, the ravens, ibikona, brought him. Ivuye muri verbe, muri the verb to bring. Kuko brought nayo ni muri kahise. No kuvuga ngo vyamuzanira. Ariko yo kari muri ko tuvuga ngo bring him. Ariko kubera ari muri kahise tuvuga ngo brought him bread and meat. Byamuzanira umukate n'inyama. Bread ni nk'umukate cyangwa umutsima, and meat nayo n'inyama. In the morning, mu gitondo, and bread and meat in the evening nayo ni le soir, ku mugoroba. Murabyumva. And he drank from the brook. The brook twumvise yuko ari umugezi, ariyo the brook cyangwa umugezi ariyo twita ruisseau cyangwa torrent. Drank from the brook. He drank ni kuvuga kivuye muri the verb to drink. To drink ni boire, ariko he drank ni kuvuga yanywa kuri uwo mugezi nk'uko uhoraho yari yamutegetse. Vese mu Kirundi ni ibikona bikama bimuzanira umutsima n'inyama buri gitondo buri mugoroba, kandi akamanywa kuri uwo mugezi. Nibyo. Murakoze rero, ndabashimiye kuri umwanya maze tumaranye. Ego none rero mukimandanye mugira subscribe, mugira sabone, bije bizohora bishikira iwanyu bibarengane. Amenta mugira na share na cyangwa partage, like na commentaire, mutubwire icyo dukwiye guhindura. Murakoze, ndabashimiye kandi nsenga Imana. Imana ndabashimiye ko n'umwanya mwiza, hanyuma tuzogenda tukugororokera tugendera mu byagezwe byawe, hanyuma uzuduhe iherezo ryiza. Ishimwe n'icyubahiro cy'ibigenda byawe mu izina rya Kristo Yesu, senze nizeye kandi shima. Amen.